Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for LootLabs error code 500. The error reads internal server error. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to click on a LootLabs link, especially when attempting to use the API for the first time. According to our research, the error likely occurs due to incorrect syntax in the API request, particularly if the link contains special characters. To deal with the error, we suggest making sure you are not using any special characters when making a link. It is better if you create a new link using the example provided in the LootLabs API documentation. You can find the LootLabs API documentation at help.lootlabs.gg/ian/article/LootLabs API documentation 1K0 and 73. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.